Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Windows 7 no connections are available, Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 7. First method is click Start, Control Panel, click Network Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings, disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type IP protocol configuration space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Control Panel. Device Manager, click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is click Start, Control Panel. Device Manager, click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, uninstall device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.